we are going to learn chapter number 5, Terrapin's Flying Adventure. Okay, so let us begin with our video. First paragraph. Terrapin was a famous creature in marshland. He was called Grumbler because he grumbled about everything to everyone. If he met Rabbit, he grumbled that he could not run like him. If he met Eagle, he grumbled that he could not fly like him. Okay, so here in the first paragraph, there is an introduction of our main character of the chapter, that is Terrapin. Okay, so he used to grumble. Grumble means he used to complain everything. Okay, for example, if he met Rabbit, then he would grumble that he could not run like him. And if he met Eagle, then he would grumble that he cannot fly like him. Next paragraph. One day the birds decided that they had to do something about it. They were fed up with his grumbling. They would try to teach him how to fly. Crow came forward. She said, "Terrapin, get on my back. We will go for a ride in the sky. This way you will also learn to fly." So now in this paragraph, as you all can see, that everyone used to get fed up from his grumbling. Okay, so what the birds decided, that they decided that they need to do something about it, because every time Terrapin comes beside us and he used to grumble. So they were fed up with his grumbling. They would try to teach him how to fly. So Crow came forward and the crow said that, "Terrapin, you come, you sit on my back and we will go for a ride in the sky. This way you will also learn how to fly." Next paragraph. Terrapin got on the crow's back happily. Off they went flying between trees and tall houses. Terrapin felt very proud when all his brothers waved to him from the ground, but he wanted more excitement. "We are not high," grumbled Terrapin. "Can you go higher?" "No, sorry, I can't go higher. Here's Vulture. He can take you higher," Crow said. So now in this paragraph, as Terrapin agreed to the crow and Terrapin sat on Crow's back. Okay, they went flying between the trees and tall houses. Terrapin was very proud when all his brothers waved him from the ground. He was very excited. Why? Because he was flying in the sky. And then Terrapin grumbled. He said that, "We are not high enough. Can you go higher?" But the crow said that, "I cannot go higher than this. This is my limitation. Here is a vulture flying. He can take you higher." So now what happens? The crow takes him to the vulture and Terrapin sits on vulture's back. Okay, because why? Because he wanted to go higher, but the crow cannot take him higher. Terrapin slipped onto vulture's back. They went gliding over forests and rivers. "Oh, this is the best day of my life," Terrapin squealed with delight. So, as I told you all earlier, that now he went to sit on Vulture's back as he wanted to go higher. So, what did Vulture and Terrapin did? They went gliding over the forest and trees and rivers. And Terrapin was squealed with delight, means he was very happy. He was very satisfied as he was flying high in the air. After gliding for some time with Terrapin on his back, Vulture noticed his brother having a feast in the valley down below. "Can you see down there?" he asked Terrapin. Terrapin, "Of course. couldn't see the feast happening down in the valley. His eyesight was not as good as Vulture's. So, as the Vulture and Terrapin were enjoying the time they were flying, Vulture noticed one thing. What he noticed that his brothers are having feast in the valley, means they are having a very nice food down below the valley. So the Vulture asked Terrapin that, can you see down there? Can you see my brothers having feast? So Terrapin says, of course I couldn't see. Why? Because Vulture's eyesight are very powerful, while Terrapin's eyesight was not at all powerful. So he could not see what the Vulture was seeing. Hawk was flying close by. Vulture whistled to Hawk. Hawk, come and give Terrapin a ride in the clouds. I have got to go down. So Hawk took Terrapin on his back and sped away higher. Now I am reaching the clouds, said Terrapin. So as you all know, Vulture wanted to join his brothers for a feast. So what he did, he saw a hawk and he flew towards the hawk, and he told Terrapin to sit on Hawk's back and he would take him for a ride. So Vulture went down towards his brothers and kept Terrapin with Hawk. So Hawk was flying very high. So he took Terrapin for a ride in the clouds. So Hawk on his back and sped away higher. Okay, so this was the first page of your chapter. These are the hard words which I have underlined. I will also send you a worksheet. You just have to write down hard words 3 times in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.